You sold your home, but now you're wondering what happens to your VA loan entitlement. That's the number one thing VA sellers ask me. And I get it, because nobody explains this clearly. So here's how it actually works. When a buyer assumes your VA loan, your entitlement stays tied to that loan until it's paid off. That part is true. You don't get it back the moment you close. But here's the thing, that doesn't mean you're stuck. You still have options to buy again, right? Most veterans have what's called remaining or bonus entitlement. Depending on your loan balance and your county's loan limit, there's a good chance you can still get into another VA loan without putting anything down. And if a fellow veteran assumes your loan, they can substitute their own entitlement for yours. Full restoration, done. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but what if a non-veteran assumes it? That's where it gets a little more nuanced, but it's still workable. Your remaining entitlement covers more than most people realize. This is the part that surprises sellers every time. The math usually still works in your favor. So before you assume you can't use your VA benefit again, let's actually run your numbers. Find me on Instagram, the Assumable Guy, or head to assumableguy.com. I'll show you exactly where your entitlement stands.